Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine. Today I'm going to share my 2021 New Year planner setup. This year I'm using the Scribbles That Matter journal notebook. I really like the cute doodles on the cover. Recently, I have been working on making some new planner printables for my Etsy shop. Today I'm introducing this New Year printable that I made. It will make planning for the new year much easier. I really love this design for the New Year future log, year calendar, and the trackers. This is a 10-page digital instant download printable for using in planners and bullet journals. This printable is 70% off, and my shop is having a New Year sale of 30% off for the entire shop now. So with these two discounts applied to the printable, you can get it for only $1.05. I also included pages such as a year in pixels, habit tracker, monthly planner, and a bonus spread, a meal planner. If you are interested, please click on the link down below. In this New Year theme, I'm using some handmade paper to decorate my journal planner. I found these Mulberry scrap papers in the shop a long time ago. It is the perfect size for me to use in my journal notebook. I found a similar one on Amazon if you are interested to use this kind of paper too. The link is in the description if you want to check it out. This pack is my paper collection from Japan. Can you see how beautiful the colors and the textures are? I really love this textured mulberry paper. To begin the design, I need to prepare some papers. If you want to tear these papers and end up with pretty textured tears, you can use a brush with clean water to paint a line, which would then make it easily pull the paper apart. At the same time, you will keep the beautiful fiber texture on your paper. Now I'm using distressed ink to stamp the flower images on the paper. It comes out with a vintage effect, which is so pretty. Then I'm tearing the paper to make it textured. It is very therapeutic and satisfying to tear these papers. For my New Year 2021 cover page, I'm placing the mulberry scrap papers with the stamped flower on the printable. It looks very natural and organic. I'm really enjoying using these textured papers to make the pages look very elegant. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please click the notification bell so you can get notified when I come out with a new video. Also, please check out my Instagram if you would like. I post every page from my bullet journal there. The link is in the description. If you want more bullet journal ideas, check out my Pinterest boards. I have a whole section for bullet journal ideas there. The link is also in the description. I also have a free 13-page floral planner kit printable and some other free printables like the mood tracker and the self-care planner that I made for you. If you haven't already downloaded these printables, please check the free download link down below. Next, I'm making the year in a glance page with the quote page. I bought these Vellum quote stacks a few years ago. I really like this Vellum paper, so I'm using one of the quotes in here to design my quote page. Like previous pages, I'm placing the textured paper on the pages. Now I'm gluing the quote on, along with the stamped flower image on the side. Then I'm drawing wiggly lines for the boxes to complete the look. The next 4 pages are my future logs. There are 3 months per page. Since this printable already has a good layout, I only use the Mulberry textured paper to decorate for a simple look. Finally, it's the year in pixels page and the year habit tracker. I decided to use this year in pixels as my mood tracker and the habit tracker for recording some habits that I wanted to track throughout the whole year. I'm writing the dates from 1 to 31 and making a color code to indicate the moods. I'm also drawing some examples so you can see how it looks. For habit tracker, I'm using symbols like lines and the circles to indicate the habits that I want to track. It seems a bit complicated, so if you want, you can simply just print out more of these charts and then use it as one chart per habit. This is one of the best benefits when purchasing printables, that you can print as many as you want, isn't it? This is the final flip through for my simple but elegant setup for this new year. I hope you like my idea to use Mulberry textured paper to decorate your journal pages. Since these papers have so many colors and textures, you can design your journals with endless possibilities. Don't forget to check out my shop for this 2021 future log and year calendar printable. I hope you will enjoy using them as much as I did. Please leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments down below. I'm really thankful for your support and the encouragement to my channel and my videos. It means the world to me. It also helps me to want to keep making videos to inspire others. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!